Good evening. My name is Aaron Woodruff, Chief of Police at Illinois State University. This afternoon, I, along with Chief Dan Donath from the Bloomington Police Department and Chief Rick Bleichner from the Normal Police Department, were invited to speak at a unity rally in downtown Bloomington, organized by our colleagues at the Bloomington Normal NAACP. Unfortunately, when Chief Donath began to speak, he was quickly shouted down by a justifiably angry portion of the crowd. As a result, we were unable to respond to the current tragic state of affairs of our country as we were requested to. After the rally, many members of the public approached us and stated they wished they could have heard our response. As a result, I am providing this audio recording of my intended speech from today, recognizing words alone cannot solve the issues related to hate and violent criminal actions committed by my fellow police officers, which have led to the suffering of so many for so long. The word right has many definitions. The First Amendment guarantees the right of the people to peaceably assemble and to petition the government for redress like we are gathered here for today. And it is important to invoke that right in times such as this. But we must not forget Dr. King's words when he said, "Hate begets hate, violence begets violence, toughness begets a greater toughness." You see, Dr. King believed in the power of protest and the rights guaranteed in the First Amendment. But he also understood using more violence will not solve violence. Responding with nonviolence is not being meek or timid. It does not deny the justified righteousness of your anger. For there is always virtue in demanding justice. We are all grieving for George Floyd, and nobody can ever justify what was done to him. For the opposite of right is wrong, and in this case, wrong is wrong. But I can promise you that we in law enforcement can and we will do better. For all of you, for our community, and for our future generations. For the time is always right to do what is right. Thank you.